Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Good morning. How do you do? Yes. So today's tutorial will be about sharing the secret of natural hair. Yes, I mean that secret that nobody will tell you, but this is how we do it in our spa. So as you can see here, this hair was badly damaged by chemicals or relaxer as people call it. So we are going to show you how this person regrew her hair into this. With just 6 months persistency, you can get this result or even better. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Don't forget, I'll be dropping the secret ingredients that grew this hair as the video goes on, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for our secret ingredient. So today guys, we are using grated okra, the remaining one that I cooked. So our grated okra is already ready. So our next ingredient is called LiQWYD. It's popular in Lagos and I'm sure it's popular all over Nigeria and the sub-Sahara and Sahara region, but it's known as the jute leaf. Don't forget the LiQWYD contains a great deal of inositol. Our third ingredient is pawpaw leaf. Yes, pawpaw leaf is high in inositols. All the vegetables I just mentioned are high in inositols, so time to dice them. This is basically like cooking soup for your hair. So I would say I'm cooking soup for my hair. My hair wants to eat soup today. Okra soup mixed with LiQWYD leaf and pawpaw leaf with my last ingredient that's coming up. So I added 3 cups of water, 3 teacups of water. Since the pawpaw leaf will loosen the thickness, so it's good to add enough water as we go around your hair. And here comes my secret ingredient. It's called beef fat. Yes, beef fat. This is the secret that most Fulani people use to grow their hair, even though they sell grasses and fake things to us here in the West. This is beef fat. It grows the hair like magic. So if you can get anyone from your butcher, like I got mine free since I'm a customer to the butcher, so he gave me for free, and I've been storing this beef fat for over a year now and it's still good. So it has a long lifespan, but don't forget to preserve it in the refrigerator. So you can see all the melted fats amidst the vegetable, and our soup is cooked and ready. However, I'm going to leave this to ferment for 2 days. Yes, 2 days. And after 2 days, I warm it, filter it, and apply to the hair. Secret note: make sure you apply it when it's hot. Not too hot though, so it doesn't burn your hair. So you can see that I shed the light on every secret. I did not leave any secrets behind. So kindly use your church mind or your monk's mind, whichever one you belong to. Subscribe to this channel to get more hacks and secrets on how to betterment your life. My people, time no dey wait to subscribe. Chan chan.